was proposed that if there is any exhibition in the city which is not informed to municipal authorities, that means it is being done without permission illegally, then there has to be a heavy fine for this. And the corporation has decided that there should be a fine of 50,000 for this. The trade license fee for professionals like lawyers, CAs, doctors, for them there is already a prescribed fee. It was clarified to all the corporators today, because recently we started sending notices to all these professionals who were actually not paying trade and license fee for some time. So query was raised by some of the corporators, and it was clarified that there is an annual fee of rupees 5,000 for these professionals. There is a circular from the Director of Municipal Administration, and this circular says that municipalities can take a call on increasing the wages of daily wage workers who are working in solid waste management works. And this wage can go up to 500, that is the maximum. And the minimum is rupees 323. So definitely for any municipality, if wages are increased, it's good for workers, but at the same time there are financial implications. It should fit in our budget. So in today's meeting, all the corporators decided that we will consider it again. No final decision was taken today.